Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video and welcome back into this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can increase your Android phones or your phone's storage, so without deleting any application. You may be seeing that your phone storage is getting full and you don't know the reason why that is getting full. What you need to do, you need to watch this video and you know how you can be solving this issue on your phone once it comes to happen on your Android phone. So first of all, if you did not subscribe to this channel, no Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. So now let's get started. So what I need to do, I need to come here to my phone settings. So if I go to my phone settings, you can see I have various options, I have various services, and I can come here. So if I scroll down, you can see I get the battery, I get location. So I get to storage, which is also 28 GBs. As you can see, my storage is 28 GBs, and if I click on it, this is 28 GBs. So if I click to open it, you can see that also the storage which is occupied on my phone is 8%, which is also internal shared storage which has been used. You can see my total RAM is also 2, and only available RAM is 473. So now as you see, my available storage is 3.59 here on my internal shared storage in my phone, and I'm going to do this process to show you how you can be solving this issue if it comes to happen in your Android phone. So you see I have 88%, and I want to try to see if I'm going to be reducing this percent which is occupied in our Android phone without deleting any further applications or other information in our Android phone. So let me go back. So once I go back, what I need to do, I need to come here to apps management. You can go to apps or applications in your Android phone, and when you come to applications, you click on it. After clicking on this application or apps, so now you can see I have app settings. Now I click on app settings. If I click on app settings, you can see I'm getting all applications in my Android phone, and you can see those applications are for different with different storage. You can see AHA games is having 0.99 GBs. You can see Garage 79.53 MB. You can see all-in-one image 181 MB. You can see analytics. You can see Bible. You can see every application is having also its own storage. And what I need to do, I need to make sure that I'm going to be also reducing that storage which is occupied in my phone. Now what I need to do, I can be checking which application which is occupying so large space in my Android phone and start with it. As you see, let me go to yes, photos, Google, yes, Gmail. Now let's scroll and see. You can see I have a YouTube which is 654, and if I click on this YouTube, so now to reduce the storage of YouTube, which is 554, I come to what? Now I come to storage and the caches. So after coming to storage and the caches, you can see I have caches of 518. So this 518, it means that it's doing nothing. Those are the caches only. Those are not information. Those are useless information. Those are worthless information. Maybe used information for the previous time. So if I clear these caches here, I'm going to save 518. So which means I'm going to save 518 MBs in my phone. So let me clear this. So you see now I clear. If I clear storage, also is going to be clearing this, but I don't have to clear storage, because if you clear storage, you're going to delete even the data or the information in your YouTube account. So what I recommend is to clear caches, only caches here. And if I clear caches, you can see Yes, I clear these caches, and if I clear caches, you will see this total now is also already getting reduced. You see I have only 654. Now you can see on cache I have 0 and my YouTube is still working as normal. So I go back and see another application which is having also the same issue, which is occupying large space. Maybe this Zoom is occupying large space. You can check it. I go to storage again. If I see on the cache, you see 123 kilobytes is not large, and I can go back and check another one. For example, this WhatsApp business is occupying large as well, 2.76 GB. Now what I need to do, I click storage. You see my cache is 21.42. If I clear cache, I'm going to save also 21.42 MBs. Let me clear it and I go back. I find any other application that I think I can reduce it. So for example, I choose to this WPS office. I go to storage. You can see cache also is 21.26. I clear it. So now I go back and I check, for example, on this vidmates. Yes, I can check on vidmates, for example. So after checking vidmate, I clear storage, click on storage, I get 31.44 MB. So I clear it. So I go back and find another application that I think is occupying storage space, maybe Snapchat. I go to storage and cache. I save 46 if I clear cache. So I go to another application that I think it can be having large space now. Let me check photos, maybe photos. If I click on storage, I can get 182 MBs. You see now if I clear caches, it's going to be also saving that space. Now let me check another one. For example, I go to message. If I go to Facebook Messenger, then I click storage and cache, I can save 4.73. Now I go and check another one. For example, I can check LinkedIn, storage and caches. I can see LinkedIn, I can save 136 MBs. Now I can check another one, for example, workplace services. Now I check storage and the caches. You see it is computing, which is calculating the the caches which are there. It's 54 MBs point something. I clear it, and after this I can go back and search for maybe let me see another one which is big, and I think it can be occupying large space. Okay, so I think there is no other one which is occupying large space. For example, let me check this Chrome, then I click here. I can get also, it's 337 MB. Also I click on it. If I clear it, you see it is going to be remaining with 0. So now let me go back and check if my space also has been increased that I still have on my phone. So now if I go back and check on my settings again and check if the space also has been increased, I go to storage again. Yes, I go to storage again here and I come back to storage. As you see, it is 27 point used now. As you see now, I have available 4.38 GBs. You see now I have also 86. As you have been getting it previously, I was having also now 88, and as you see now here I have 500, which is different from the previous one. So now, which means that the storage is increasingly as I clear caches. So you can be doing this to every application on your Android phone, and once you do it, also you're going to be saving the space that may be being used by another application or by any other data which are useless on your Android phone. Clear caches and save your space. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the button so as you always get notified when you upload new video here at No Max TV.